Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your audio and gacha character PNGs. Organize layers so you can find mouth, head, and body quickly. Once done, set project FPS to 30 or 60 to keep motion smooth and align the timeline start at 0 so timing is exact. Trim the audio to the only way phrase and write down the start/end timestamps. This helps you keyframe mouth positions precisely. Make sure to lock unused layers so you don't accidentally shift clips while syncing. Now build mouth shapes. Duplicate the mouth layer into visemes for closed, half, open, and wide shapes so you can switch instantly. Place keyframes at your noted timestamps for each phoneme and use linear easing for quick consonants and slower easing for vowel transitions. This explains why timing feels natural. Once keyframed, add slight scale or rotation to the jaw or chin layers to simulate movement, and crossfade opacity between visemes when sounds overlap to avoid pops. Finish by previewing in real time and scrubbing the clip. Look for micro-timing errors and nudge keyframes by plus or minus 0. 0.5 seconds until lips lock to syllables. Export using MP4H, 264, and keep the original audio track at 100% so playback matches edits. If things go wrong, solo the mouth and audio layers to isolate the problem, then retime or swap viseme shapes. One key troubleshooting tip: mute other animation layers to check whether motion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.